Morning guys, we're here in Jessica Clinton Park. Solo na naman ni Natalie yung park. Nobody's here today kasi marami ng park kasi dito. So before dito when it's new, maraming naglalaro, pero ngayon masosolo mo na kasi marami ng park that they can go. So may pang kids, baby for baby, then mayroon din mga pang grown up. Where's Natalie? So dati maliit lang to, pangit. Ngayon malaki na, marami na rin silang equipment for sa playground ng kids. Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing there?
Everything is pink and yellow.
Everything is pink and yellow. Why? Why is everything pink and yellow? It's when you are inside there? Huh? So may mga laruan din dito ng baseball, soccer, basketball. Yeah, they can play here.
I'm going down the slide. I'm going down the slide, okay?
Go down.
Hey. Hey.
Game 1.
Hey.
I'm gonna see you there and
Okay.
down here.
Mommy.
Come.
Okay.
Ready, get set, go. We'll see you here. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you just walk?
No, I'm not walking. It's sliding, but I'm being careful because if there's water on the bottom.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh, it's not yet dry. Come over here. Oh, you're like a frog. So dito rin, ang cute na mga drawing nila. Oh, see? May mga drawing din sila dito para ma-encourage yung mga bata mag-play. Don't go up there. Use the ladder. I mean, use the stair. Use the stair.